That's the last of some fertilizer. That'll be enough to get it going. Bring this down some. And that'll water the whole thing. And in the corner it goes for now. Oh, no. But anyway, plug this back in. Yeah, stick that back there. Drop that in the slot. Yeah, that's clean enough for me. Add water. All right. Now, stick this guy right there. All right. And you are good to go. Plug it up. Make sure all the little sprouts have water coming through. Yep, good to go. All right. So for now, I'm going to unplug it. So I'm gonna be using these little small neck cups. And I'll have to slightly modify them. I don't have to, but I'm going to. I'm gonna cut a bar out so the little spot can fit in there easier. So I'll grab my little cutting supplies. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna grab the seeds. Yeah, might as well get the seeds while I'm at it. All right, let me get something to cut this. So, with all that cut, I am going to plant some lettuce. I think this is what I plant. Yep, it is. Gonna grow some lettuce. And it grows extremely fast in this setup. Now, all right. So let me pop these cups this back up. Alright. So pull this apart because I won't be using a whole great deal of it, and most of you know that these cubes are used for putting the seeds in to start growth. I think it was like this type was like bio, I can't remember for sure. It was supposed to be eco-friendly. So I get a piece, stick it in the cup. And I got this little tool I like to use. And this tool really is it's actually used to be part of a pen. It makes awesome holes in this stuff. So I'm not really concerned with it being like super tight. So go in here because I'll probably throw a couple of seeds in there anyway, just in case one doesn't do what it's supposed to do. So you can drop a seed and both seeds have missed the target. I mean, these seeds are like so small. This one right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But that's why I like this tool. So I'll just push that down there gently. Voila. Now I'll go up to the top half. Grab another seed. Drop it on there. It's on there. Slide in there. And that part's done. So I'll put it in the back. And the water ring has started. Go to the next pod. Alright. So let's say pot. So this piece, like, then, not a very big piece. You might be able to see if there's a better way to get these seeds up. I think the last time I just got like a hole and just dumped them in there. So out of all these seeds, at least one. So you're gonna cut, think I'm gonna take another one out. That'll give me a little bit more flexibility. Yeah, that fits in there perfectly. As you can see how that spout just drops straight through there. Good.
Get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids talking. I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months, we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day.
And you can see the reason why. You got plenty of goo up in there. Goo mold, yeah. And this thick brown stuff, you see, that actually comes from the fertilizer, believe it or not. So right now I'm using just warm water. No chemicals. I gotta say, this stuff is pretty hard. Now, I may have to get a brush. That's like a root system. No, not a root system. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put some neck cups in. Alright, this thing here is over the trash can. And look at that root system. So, I did some replants in these little cup deals. This onion is actually still good. They're growing. Yes, the onion is still trying to strive. Just maybe. Oh yeah. Got a nice strong healthy root system there. Nice. So these guys will be going in a cup of water until I relocate them into something else. Alright. So, got some organic onion over here doing this thing. So I'm gonna drop that in there. Keep these bulbs nice and moist. A little bit more water in there. Yeah. That'll carry them over for a while. Alright. So this thing here needs to be cleaned. So, I'm quite sure you know it's an AeroGarden 6-pot holder. It's been in here for a while. My significant other decided to get one to copy me when I started my big setup. But anyway, we're gonna start getting some of this build up off. Now, what I was growing in here was lettuce, and that's what I'm going to be putting back in it tonight is lettuce. Let's get this out of this tray.